Hello, this is Ramani Creations, and today we will be doing a Mexican bowl recipe. So last year in December, we actually traveled to Costa Rica, and we learned a very nice recipe, and we went to someone's house there, and we got to learn how to cook, and it was a very nice experience. And here's some of the pictures of food that we got to learn how to make there. And today you'll be seeing a similar recipe on our Ramani Creations channel. We got really inspired by this menu and we wanted to show you guys. Okay, so we're gonna cook our rice. We have some rice and soaked in water with bay leaves. We're gonna put our lid on top so we can cook our black beans simultaneously, like you see here. We have black beans in water and we're going to add some salt. We have some salt in it and we're gonna cook this. So we just click the rice button on our Instant Pot and it cooks. So we have our black beans here and our rice that has been cooked. And now we're gonna add our fresh chopped cilantro and some lemon juice to give it a good flavor. So now we're going to mix our rice. When you're mixing, you want to mix really good so that it gets to everywhere in the rice. So we have some chopped tomatoes and some onions here. And we are going to fry them to have a caramelized effect so that we can top them on our bowl. And we're also going to add some corn. So we're just frying our onions and garlic together. And then we're gonna add our tomatoes and we're gonna add the corn. So we're adding cumin. Chili powder. And salt. And then we mix these all together to get our homemade salsa. So we have our rice here. And then we have our fresh guacamole. And then we have our roasted corn. And then we have some sour cream. And then we have our shredded cheese, Mexican style. And then we have fresh sliced avocado. And then we have our homemade salsa. So now we're plating and we are going to put our rice into our bowl. So all of these ingredients that we have here, these things that we're adding into our bowl, they're all homemade because right now we can't go to a restaurant and buy stuff, but everything is homemade and, you know, the current situation. But we're trying to get the feel that if we would to go to a restaurant and have this is what it would taste like. So we're trying to get it as close as to what it would be like if we actually went to a restaurant, because currently with these situations, we can't really go to a restaurant, but we can make it homemade and try to recreate a restaurant food. So we're adding our avocado and our fresh homemade guacamole. Cheese, shredded cheese. So our shredded cheese and our sour cream are the only things that are store-bought. Everything else is homemade. So right now we're adding our sour cream. Sour cream is very optional. If you want to, you can add it. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And that's our Mexican bowl. And so now we're gonna do a burrito. We're gonna put some rice into it. So our bowl and our burrito, it's all you can put how much you want and you can put whatever you want. It's not like you have to put a specific thing. It's, you know, this is for you. You can put whatever you want because it is like, you can, it's your own, build your own food. So we're putting our salsa. And then we're putting our roasted corn. And then our sliced avocado. Sliced avocado. And our guacamole, and then our shredded cheese. And last but not least, our sour cream. Like I said, sour cream is optional. You don't have to if you don't want to, but just gives it a great taste. And then we roll our burrito to create our tasty, amazing burrito. So this is our yummy burrito. Doesn't it look great? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below, share, and like.